Hello, this is question 5 on your November 2021 AS paper from Edexcel. You have two bags, A and B, each contain balls which are red, yellow or green. Bag A has 4 red, 3 yellow and green. And bag B has 5 red, 3 yellow and 1 green. A ball is selected at random from bag A and placed into bag B, and then a ball is selected from B, placed into bag A. Probability that bag A now contains equal number of red, yellow and green is P. Given that P is greater than 0, find the possible values of N and P. So after getting one from here, putting it into this bag, and getting one from this bag and putting it into this one, we have the same number of balls, the same number of each color. So we have only two possibilities, and is that we have 4 red, 4 yellow when this one increases 1, and then 4 green. So we will have 4, 4, 4. Or this one loses 1, so we have 3, 3, and then 1. This one is 3 as well. Yeah, so 3, 3, 3. Those are the two options. The minute I increase one number or decrease one number by more, they won't be equal. Yeah. So when this happens if I keep this one the same and this one increase 1, which means I have to lose 1 green. I lose 1 green and then I get 1 yellow. Yeah. If I lose 1 green and I have 4, that means that I need to have at the beginning 5 green. Yeah? So if I have 4, 3 and 5, I lose 1 green. I will have 4 green and I get 1 yellow. I will have 4, 4, 4. Yeah? What is the probability of having that? Is going to be, so we need to find P, which is the probability that they have the same, they are all the same amount of each color. Is the probability that I lose 1 green, so the probability of picking 1 green out of my 5 plus 3 plus 4, so that probability is going to be 5 over 12, so 1 green, times, and the probability that then I get from here 1 yellow, which is going to be 3 out of, I have 2 greens now, so I have 1 extra ball, so I have 5 plus 3 plus 2, which is 10. And this is, if we simplify, 1/8. Yeah, so this is one option. N5, I have 5 green, and the probability of getting 4, 4, and 4 is going to be 1/8. The other option is that N is 3, so I have 3 at the beginning. N is 3. And I lose 1 red. No, I have 2. Sorry, I have 2. And you will see why. If I want 3, 3, and 3, I have to lose one of these ones. So I have 3 and 3, which means I have to get 1 new green. So N should be 2. And 2. When I lose 1 red, I will have 3 red, 3 yellow, and then I get 1 green, I will have 3 green. Yeah? So what's the probability of that? Is the probability of getting 1 red from this bag. In this bag, I have 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is 9, and I get 1 red, so 4 out of 9. And the probability of getting one green from here and put it back. So I have 1 green out of 9, 10 balls. Yeah, and this is 2 over 45. Yeah, so these are the two possible values of N and P. N5 with P 1/8 and N2 with P 2 over 45. And that's all with this question. It's just a bit of thinking, and I think it's difficult to understand how you have to do it, but then when you understand, it's not difficult.